Hello, my name is Fiorella Bustamante. I want to take you to know a mysterious, unique, and beautiful place. Do you measure yourself? Ask about our plan by calling the number in the screen. Here is my itinerary. Toluye. Is introduction of place. The cave of Toluviejo is a place that few people know exist, but they are really beautiful. Toluviejo is located northeast of the port of Sucre, in the Los Montes de María subregion, 30 minutes from Cincele. This place is unique because the caves are started in Toluviejo, and it is said that they end in Coloso. The weather is really very nice. It is very bit warm and the breeze is very delicious. Duration of the trip. The trip will last 3 days and 2 nights, where you will be able to appreciate the sky and their surroundings, enjoy a familiar and warm atmosphere. Means of transportation. You can get there by any means, either by plane if you are very far away. Our package includes ticket once we are in the place we can enjoy walking. Activities to do. We can appreciate nature in all its splendor. We walk We will walk while we listen to its interesting history by those who get it on instead. It is also possible to visit the surrounding towns, eat delicious food and refreshing drinks. Place to stay. In this place, the hotels are in the district of Tolu, which is an even more touristic place. But in reality, it is not fat. So you will have another tourist attractions very close. But you can find in Tolviejo sometimes, like very comfortable and safe hostel and also very cheap. And typical foods. The typical meals there are fried coconut, delicious. Rice, what fish in coconut meal, salad, and refresh panela, water. In addition, the breakfasts are very natural, prepared with products that their temples grow in their backyards. The cost is really very cheap. Since for the 3 days and 2 nights, in will be only 550,000. For each person, I assure you that you will have a trip full of many adventures and comfortable landscapes. Bye bye.